Hi everyone, today let's cover how to solve the harder type of equation using substitution method. So here's today's question. You need to solve the following equation using substitution method. It seems a little difficult, but you need to use the rule of indices to simplify the equation first. So 4 over 3, the power can be split into 2 over 3 times by 2. This is the main point that you need to use to simplify the equation. Therefore, we can rewrite the equation into x to the power of 2 over 3 times by 2 plus x to the power of 2 over 3 minus 12 equals to 0. Now, can you see the repeated part? You can see that here and there are repeated. So we're now going to use the substitution method to simplify the equation. Let x to the power of 2 over 3 equals to a. Then the equation turns into a to the square plus a minus 12 equals to 0. So you can find that it's a quadratic equation. We now simply need to factorize the quadratic equation to find the value of a. So a minus 3 bracket a plus 4 equals to 0. Then the value of a is equal to 3 or minus 4. And don't forget that we just used the substitution method. We just let x to the power of 2 over 3 equals to a. So since a is equal to x to the power of 2 over 3, we can replace that a value into 3 or minus 4. So we can rewrite the equation into like this. But do you remember that we cannot get the negative result for that second equation? So we need to reject that. That means we just have to solve for the first equation, which is x to the power of 2 over 3 equals to 3. It seems a little difficult to solve that equation, but let's try to simplify the exponent first. So we could simplify the exponent by multiplying 3 on both powers. Now you can simplify the fraction part. So it turns into x to the square equals to 27. Therefore, the x value is equal to root 27, which is 3 root 3. This is the answer for today's question. New math lessons uploaded every Thursday. Subscribe and keep preparing your exams with me.